And millions of people are expected to travel out of the country this summer, but there are growing concerns over measles. Health officials want people to protect themselves and others before they catch a flight. Let's go ahead and get to ABC 10's Candice Red live at the Sacramento International Airport this morning with more details. Hey, Candice.
Jordan, good morning to you. We've already seen several people coming and going here at the Sacramento International Airport, giving you a live look right behind me as you check out the security checkpoint here. By the way, we know that before you actually travel internationally, the CDC wants you to get vaccinated against measles. Well, that's because most measles cases in the U.S. come from people not vaccinated who traveled internationally, then returned home here to the States. Well, let's take a quick look at the numbers from the CDC. Now, as of June 5th, 2025, there's been more than 1,100 confirmed measles cases in the U.S. Last year, the U.S. saw just 285 measles cases. Now let's take a quick look at the numbers right here in our state, California. Now, according to the California Department of Public Health, there's been 14 confirmed measles cases so far this year. 15 cases were confirmed last year. Well, the CDC describes measles as a highly contagious disease. It spreads through the air when an infected person coughs, sneezes, talks, or even just simply breathes. Now, even if the infected person leaves the room, you can still get it up to 2 hours later. Well, symptoms include a high fever, cough, runny nose, pink eye, or a rash. We reached out to the California Department of Public Health. We're told that the chances of California experiencing a significant outbreak is low. But that's simply because most people in our state are actually vaccinated. Take a listen.
While we've seen some large-scale outbreaks in other states and some travel-associated cases in California, we've not really seen ongoing transmission of measles in California, and that's largely due to the high percentage of our population that have been vaccinated. And so for most Californians, they should be aware, but not too concerned, because the best way to protect your self or your family against measles is getting the MMR vaccine.
The CDC says anyone who is not protected against measles is at risk. Others are at more risk of experiencing significant health problems from the disease too, like children under 5, pregnant women, and people with weak immune systems. Again, health officials are encouraging people to get the MMR vaccine, especially those traveling internationally. Coming back out to you live as we give you one last look at the security checkpoint here. Now, to be clear, there are no confirmed measles cases in Sacramento County at this time. However, there are cases in both Placer and Yolo County, so that's something to keep in mind. And then, of course, people are also encouraged to just specifically talk to their own doctor, especially if they have any concerns, and of course everything else that's related to their own personal health. For now, live at the Sacramento International Airport, Candice Red, ABC 10.
Yeah, some important information there. Thank you, Candice Red, live at the Sacramento Airport.